Do you know what this is? Do you have one of these? If not, you need to get one. This, I believe, is your essential piece of travel safety kit that everyone should have. It is a simple thing that is a door wedge with an alarm on it. And you can get these, I got this for under £10 off Amazon. Make sure you get one that's got some rubber on the bottom so that it doesn't slide all over the place. Or you could just get a good old-fashioned rubber door wedge that's like £1. But the benefit of this one, of course, is there's an alarm on it. So the idea is you put it under your door in your hotel room. If someone tries to open the door to get in, they're going to set the alarm off, and it's really loud. I'll just do it quickly, like prepare yourself. Really loud. That's going to wake you up, and it's going to send whoever's trying to get into your room running. So unfortunately, there are instances where people have been attacked, assaulted, robbed by people breaking into their room. It could be people from outside the hotel, or it could even be the hotel staff themselves. Check it works. It's going to work with most doors, but it's going to depend on the type of door. If it doesn't work because of the door, you need to think about something else. So you could put a chair behind your suitcase. So take a look at this, get one, and subscribe for more safety tips. Take a look at our website, which is streetwisedefence.com, where we do lots of street safety training, self-defense training, and stay safe.